Welcome back or welcome. If you're new here and missed the last video, we managed to weld Jordy's reinforcement plates to where the subframe mounts. And off camera, as you can see, we sprayed them trim black just to clean it up. The seam sealer dried. Look how nice that looks. It's okay. Now these plates are from Tech 53, code JK5 for 5% off. The trailing arms reinforcement plate we got from Accurate Fabrication. Now remember, they also did Jordy's cage. They do a lot of cages, look them up. We also got new bushings in the subframe and they're blue. Boo, 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 boo. Not intentional. Now today, as you guys know, we ended the last video off with going to do the wheel bearings, but Jordy didn't order them, so we had to wait. But they're here! Yay! We're gonna do one today. That's our goal for tonight. We get to the second one, yay! But we'll be here all video.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
To get this party started, arm needs to come off. One lucky swing.
Just give it some beans. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it, never gonna get it.
Bottom of the arm now. Guess it didn't spin.
I kind of missed that part, but
You missed what?
unscrewing it, but it doesn't really matter.
Next on the list.
Let's get this damn axle out, Kai.
Later. That was crazy looking.
You gotta take the adapter off, Kai.
Stop. There you go. Give her the beans. I feel like I'm making a ice sculpture right now. You're so nice to it.
That was a lot easier than I thought.
Yeah, I
It's gonna
honestly
be.
wasn't expecting you to do that.
Alright, just pull it off.
Ta-da! Now that that side's done with, this side's next. We're just gonna disassemble everything at once, then reassemble it all at once.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Other side is disassembled. Jord, what's next?
Dust shields. Cut.
Tips are broken on this
I
tool.
know, it doesn't work.
You know you're in luck when the tip's broken.
What does that mean? Please in the comments leave below what that means.
Moral support.
Take. I wasn't told what to do. I thought we were just taking it.
Easier for me.
Go on, Sal. We got one more. Dust shield is destroyed. Thanks to Sal. Just hiding over there. Jordy got distracted and decided to rip those out. So, buy e-brake cables.
We gotta get these bearings out, dude.
I like this method. Triple hammer it up.
This is gonna be good.
Yeah, and you wanted me to do this? Y'all see what's happening right now, right? He wanted me to do this.
No, you wanted to do this.
I did not want to do the actual wheel bearing. I just wanted to get to the components.
People, I'm caught in the middle. Please help. If I blow this socket apart, it ain't my fault.
I think we need a smaller socket.
Yeah, 4.
Get those seat clips out. We don't rep that gang.
Maybe do that and I could get it with this little screwdriver.
I was gonna. Maybe just put it in there as a placeholder.
Yeah, true.
Look how big this thing is.
Perfect. I'm just talking about I slipped it in your hand.
Yeah, it would. Keep going.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Almost there.
Hell yeah. This feels like
Hey.
whack-a-mole.
Oh, this one's tight.
It has resulted into this. Do not try this at home.
How's it
Jay?
chain? Buttons. It's not done.
What? A brief?
Dude, it's massive too.
Oh, there you go.
Call
There
him
you
Devin.
go.
Yeah, walk that bitch
I
around.
think it's spring loaded to the forehead.
Hell yeah. All right, we'll be back when they get it. Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
So we are just doing the disassembling today. We're gonna pick up, be back tomorrow to install the new wheel bearings and hubs. Guess what time it is? How tall is it? It's kind of funny.
Looks pretty straight.
Yeah, that shouldn't matter too much.
Yeah,
Should
yeah, but it
centralise.
should be okay.
Get rid of that. The
The one on the bottom, yeah.
Try maybe. Oh, get that bearing started with like a mallet.
Yeah,
Did you just watch me hit my thumb?
bet that felt nice.
Might.
The block is,
oh.
yep, your block is giving way. You got a piece of wood?
All right, different. Like it. Innovative.
Hit that bitch with ammo, yeah.
Hammer it is.
Camera is working pretty good. Hit the rest of it with a piece of wood.
New C-clip. Looking all fancy. Hopefully it's easier putting in than taking off. There you go.
Did you knock the center out of it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Show it back
No
in.
balls came out of the cage. It's okay.
Oh, you dog.
Whatever, they were 10 bucks.
You're actually a dog. Might have to get it out and actually use the press, maybe.
It'll just lubricate itself.
Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Thank you for the app shot, Jord. That was really
Yeah,
nice.
you're welcome.
God damn.
I think that's the most American I heard you sound.
What? God damn. There we go. We can build it now.
Well, I mean, that solved our problem.
And then just try and press it flat between the two things.
Yeah, I'm just square it up. I don't know if there's enough dick on it, but we could try. I don't know if we have enough. Oh! Nope, no. It's just gonna pop in. I grab the pipe. Oh, I just bent it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, try and bend it back. One more.
No way. You still spin.
Yeah, it still spins.
Well, now that that process is over with, time for the hubs.
Kyle, you ready to put these Tech 53 50114 conversion hubs?
I am. You know, we also got a code for them. Code JK5 for 5% off. And no, we're not kidding.
Okay. Go slow. Keep going. Alright, slow down. Just like that, 5x114 converted.
Yeah, I pressed that real good.
Now you can fit cooler wheels.
Time to do the same thing on this side, but let's do it quick.
Good boy.
Goal is complete for today, so we'll be back for more tomorrow. Next day, and unfortunately, I am prepping for next week's video. It's a surprise, but Jordy is gonna stay back, work on his car, get this finished, so we don't leave you guys hanging. Jordy?
It's my vlog, bitch. Side 2. Last thing I gotta do, tie up all the brake wires. to the trailing arm. These fancy little zip ties. That's about it.
A few moments later.
I did it. We're good. We got to put it up now. Put this on a jack, and then we'll wait for Jimmy and have him help me, because this is heavy. I ran out of storage, but it's in.
And I'm back. Let's see what progress Jordy has made.
We're gonna put the coilover back in and then put the wheel on. See what it looks like.
It's gonna look so funny on your car.
Funny as in sick as shit now.
Okay, I don't hate it.
Specs might be good.
Imagine if they were blue.
True. Am I going track for it? Yeah.
Girth, she looks fast.
Time to add the finishing touch. This is not a stock hood. Jordy actually sold his, fun fact.
Horny.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks good on your car, Jordy. I think the black will tame it out.
The black will tame it. It'll look sick.
Yeah, I really like it with your car a lot. Thank you, Andre.
Horny, not corny. Guys, look how cool it looks, right? 8.5, 10, 18 by 8, 10.5 plus 22 with a 265. How cool, right, Kai?
Yeah,
Right?
so cool.
We did reinforcements, bushings, everything to make a rear end of an E36 stout and ready to go. If anyone else is trying to make their car look as cool as mine, Tech 53, plain and simple. 5x114 hubs, reinforcement plates, you get everything all at once. If you want it a little cheaper, code JK5 at checkout. Save you a little money. But we also got some other cool stuff. Come with me, Kai. Look at this sick hood that I got. Shout out Andre, SFP, Aero. Look how sick it looks. We gotta cut the vents out still, but I feel like it's a very fitting piece of aero to the car.
I think so too. I think
Every-
it completes the aggressive look of the car.
Every cool car has to have a cool hood and spoiler.
That's next.
Yeah, but you know what else is next, Kai?
The Miata is finally getting prepped and painted, and that will be in next week's video. So before we go, I have exciting news. New merch is in stock. I have the Heartbreak Mechanic gloves, a collab with Limiter, Kai edition, and then the Cold Hearted tee, which features both mine and Jordy's car, both twinning. You see makes a little heart with drift. Yeah.
Nice, Kai.
Pretty sick.
Creative, super
Pretty
creative.
sick. But on that note, Jordy's car is done for the most part. It'll come soon. It's fine. So please like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you next week for Miata Prep.